Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we will be learning a management technique for a losing iron condor options trade. Before getting to the management technique, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned so far. The iron condor is a combination of two vertical spreads, a bull put spread and a bear call spread. It is formed by a simultaneous purchase of an out of the money bull put spread and sale of an out of the money bear call spread, where all options have the same expiry. A bull put spread is built by selling a put option and then buying a lower strike put option, whereas a bear call spread is built by selling a call option and then buying a higher strike call option. Unlike the short triangle, iron condor is a risk defined strategy. But a good trader would always want to cut the loss on a losing trade with a technique that would not add more risk than that is already existing, and exit the trade when a certain percentage of the profit target, usually about 80 to 85%, has been met. In this video, we would be learning a technique where we enter the trade with 2 to 3 positions but reduce the number of positions if the trade moves against us. The maximum profit at expiry for an iron condor trade is the credit received, while the maximum loss at expiry is the difference between the width of the spread and credit received. Now let's get to the rules. Tested side is the losing side, that is, the side where the strike price of the short option is close to the spot price and has a good chance of being in the money by expiry. The other side is the non-losing side or untested side. Let's say we enter the trade with 3 positions on the 2 spreads. We would be closing the first position on the tested side as soon as the loss reaches one third of the maximum loss we would experience at expiry, and the second position as soon as the loss reaches two-thirds the maximum loss. And if the spot price continues to move towards the strike price and breaches it, we would then close the spread on the untested side and move it closer to the tested side. We suggest you to use only monthly options for this technique, as you would have enough time to make any adjustments if required. To understand things better, let's look at an example. With Nifty at 9200, let's say we entered the following trade. Buy 3 lots of 8400 put at 84, sell 3 lots of 8600 put at 100, sell 3 lots of 9800 call at 170, buy 3 lots of 10,000 call at 111.5. All options have the same 28 May expiry. Let us look at some calculations. The maximum profit that can be attained at expiry is the credit received, which is about rupees 16,762.5. Similarly, the maximum loss at expiry is 28,237.5. Now, since we entered the trade with 3 lots, we would cut the first position on the tested side when the loss reaches about rupees 10,000, and the second position when the loss reaches about 20,000. And the third adjustment of moving the untested side closer to the tested side should be done when Nifty breaches either 9800 or 8600. These are the strike prices where the short options were sold. Let us look at a visual example now. Here we are assuming a maximum profit of about 5000 and a maximum loss of about 18,000. So as soon as we reach a loss of about 6,000, we reduce the lot size to 2. This reduces the risk on the tested side, as can be seen from the risk graph. In the same way, as soon as we reach a loss of about 12,000, we reduce the lot size to 1. This further reduces the risk on the tested side. A similar adjustment is possible on the put side too, had Nifty moved lower. Now, if Nifty gets closer to one of the strike prices where we sold options, that is 9800 or 8600, we would close the untested side and open a new spread close to the tested side and collect more premium, thereby reducing risk further. Please be mindful that such trades require huge margins and might not be suitable for all traders. Also, the risk reward ratio on a sample trade is not too favorable. This is just to show you how risk can be managed and should not be considered as a recommendation. Thank you all for watching. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.